Let's take a look at what is happening with the markets, and we start off with the local bourse. And the local bourse, they're managing to eke out some gains today after a flat finish yesterday. So quite a good picture that we are seeing there, except for the financial 15. Of course, maybe that could be linked to the rand that is very dangerously close to the 19 rand mark against the US dollar. The all share there with a gain of almost 0.4%, that led by the resources 10 complex there, climbing almost 1.5%. Industrial 25 also following in the same direction with an advance of 0.75%. But as I mentioned, backing that overall trend is the financial 15 with a decline of almost 0.7%. Let's take a look at what is happening stateside, and over there, a session after in which the S&P 500 actually clocked a fresh record high yesterday. The markets, of course, eagerly awaiting the non-farm payrolls for May that are coming out tomorrow. And this is after we got two Prince job openings and the ADP private payrolls that signaled a weakening in the US labor market. Quite a mixed picture that we are seeing over there. The S&P coming off a little bit, just 0.04% below that flat line. The tech-heavy NASDAQ giving up more than 0.1%, but the Dow, they're backing that trend with a gain of more than 0.1%. Let's take a look at what is happening with markets across the Atlantic, and a big move there that investors are digesting from the European Central Bank that decided to move ahead of the Fed and cut interest rates. The first time interest rates have been cut there since 2019. So the markets, they are buzzing. The FTSE 100 with a gain of almost 0.4%, the CAC 40 climbing almost 0.5%, and the DAX up by more than 0.33%. Let's take a look at what is happening on the currency front and take a look at how the rand is trading against the US dollar. Okay, maybe a little bit better, because earlier on I had seen it at around 18 rand 97. I mean, still very close to that 19 rand mark against the US dollar at 18 rand 92, against the pound at 24 rand 20, and against the euro at 20 rand 60. Let's check in on how the other currency pairs are doing, starting off with the euro dollar at 1.08, pound dollar at 1.27, and the yen just above 156 against the US dollar.